Been a few hours, but it felt like days.
My scalp is itching so bad and I only installed this week yesterday. You guys, my installing game lays where? Lays where? I'm so proud of myself, okay? It is so clean. Like, I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of this install. Anyways, good morning. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. If you are new here, if you are returning, welcome back, bestie. I feel so good. I just did an extremely rejuvenating, strengthening, is it yoga or Pilates? I actually did half, a little bit of yoga and a little bit of Pilates. There is a difference between the two, which is weird, but yeah, I feel so good. And right now I need to go get an umbrella. I lost my umbrella yesterday and I got rained on. I was so cold. Now I need to get it. I hate buying umbrellas because they cost 5 million. I don't understand why, but I need it. And what else do I need? I'm gonna see if I can get some fruits. Today it's Thursday, so we're gonna take this to be a little weekend vlog. My weekend starts Thursday. Yeah, let's go get these things that I need and we'll come back and have breakfast. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but yeah. And let's talk about my skin, you guys. I'll show you my routine later in the day, but I did post a short last week of my skincare routine, the products that I've been using lately, and just my overall wellness routine, working out, drinking water, trying to eat better. Has been working, okay? It has been working. If you need some tips on that, do hit me up in the comments section. And you guys, please go follow me on Instagram. Like please go follow me on Instagram.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
I am back. It's so hot outside and I am starving. I still don't know what I want to eat, so I'm gonna eat some grapes and some bananas until I decide what I want to eat, because these grapes are so good. Like, I was going to get an umbrella, and this one is the one that I had. It's the one that I lost, and it's so good. I got it again at ShopRite. It's really strong. Got some toilet paper from Clicks, and I got my favorite wipes, facial wipes ever, 3 for 2. So and I got this Nivea cream. I used to use this Nivea cream a lot and I don't know why I stopped, so I was like, I want to use this cream again. And yeah, that's all that I got. Let me figure out what to eat.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch falling like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no, maybe. In the meantime, I know what I want. Just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my cause we New York to shell.
Saturday, okay, I just came back from work and main lane. Okay, after work I went to main lane, so let's quickly do a grocery haul because I need to be quick. I need to go fetch my mother. She's coming to visit for a day or two and she's almost around, so let's quickly do a grocery haul so that we can pack things away. First of all, I got some croissants from Food Lovers, some noodles from Pick and Pay. I got pork and bots from Pick and Pay. I prefer to buy my meats from Pick and Pay. I don't know why, but yeah. Nudges. I wanted fruits. I go to Food Lovers for fruit, but I only got some lemons, oranges, and what else did I get? Oh, I went to Woolies to get some juice. We have mango and orange, apple, and passion fruit. I like passion fruit. For some reasons, they don't have, what is it called? You know that one, like that one that everyone is buying. They don't have it. I forgot what it's cranberry. I got some chicken, and last but not least, I got some wine, and I got myself some steaks. This was my first meal. Right now it's about 5. This was my first meal, and yo, I'm still starving. Anywho, you guys, we have an unboxing from a Dark and Lovely. I feel like I should pack these things away so that we can unbox this and go get my mama. Yeah! Ew. Eh. Okay. Eh.
My bitch Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get along, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time. I don't know.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
What day is it today? It doesn't matter what day it is, but we are closing this vlog. So let's do a little unboxing. I hope you saw my unboxing yesterday, my Dark and Lovely products. I'm so excited. I did some cornrows. Cute stranger, if you know, you know. Anyways, let's do an unboxing of something exciting. Something exciting. Da, 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 da. Ooh. 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 Ah! I got my first ever Skin Cosmetics fragrance experience box. Ah! I'm so excited. Ooh. 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 I swear I'm okay. I swear I am okay. Swear I'm okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Isn't this exciting? Hey, isn't this exciting? Like, I've never used any of the. Ooh, how cute! Chris Collins. This one is exciting. It is. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, why is it so fat? Ooh, my God, gracious God. Ta-da! Ooh. Heaven on earth. Wow. Amazing. Okay, I'm not gonna unbox everything, but yeah, this is it. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, is it 13? 13, yes. 13 tiny samples of divine, whoa, fragrances. Amazing. This one is the tiniest, and I'm sure it's the most insanely scented one. Look at that. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Wow. carry on. Anywho, I also have a Shein order on the way. Like, this new Buffalo driver delivers in ungodly hours. Why haven't I received my parcel at 4 p.m? Why? I want to unbox it with you guys today so that I can close this vlog. Yo, I look so weird. Yo. This box was worth my money. Okay, it was worth my money. Shein order is here. It's nothing much. Okay, I'm only gonna do an accessories haul. I ordered these things because I was getting my cousin a graduation dress, and guess what? The graduation is tomorrow. That's a story for another day. Ooh, I got a phone case with a mirror and a charging cable. Oh, I am so excited about this one, guys. I want to try skincare products from Shein. I got these eye mask patches or whatsoever they are called, and I got this foot mask. Oh, I'm so excited. Not a foot mask. I mean, it's a foot peel off zingy washer. I did say in my previous, is it my previous vlog or this vlog, that I am skincare obsessed. And what is this? Oh, it's a bonnet. I got a bonnet. Yo, the worst thing happened ever. Like, so my battery is full. Not my battery, my memory card is full. So I was trying to delete some old clips and I mistakenly deleted a clip that is supposed to be in this vlog. I'm so stressed because I'll end up throwing away the whole vlog. Ah! Yeah. That's another bonnet. It's another bonnet. That one is long. Did you even see it? I think my camera cut, but like it's a long as bonnet, and this is a normal sized bonnet. Ooh, I've been wanting this bonnet that have this big thingy, like. Oh, I got this. My kitchen sink gets clogged multiple times and I absolutely hate it. I got another skincare thingy. What is this? This is a mask. This is a mask. I think we'll see it when I use it. Do I have to unwrap it? What is this? Aloe vera hydrating under eye mask. Oh, I got multiple under eye masks. What is this? I think this is another moisturizing thingy. So in my next series of videos, we will be reviewing these skincare products from Shein. I'm gonna tell you all if they work or not. And actually, I'm not sure if I'll be able to tell you if they work or not because it takes time for products to... I don't know what this is. What is this? Fashion glasses. Oh, these are sun glasses. I got myself a pair of sunglasses. Why are they not in those cute sunglasses things? Why? Let me not unwrap all of them, but cute, aren't they? Anyways, thanks so much for watching. With these two items, these are the only clothing items that I got myself, okay? But there is an order coming. Does it have? Yes, there is an order coming, so we'll do a haul then. But for now, thanks so much for watching.
I should have given